Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a BMW X2. First, gather your tools, including a 24mm wrench, an oil filter housing tool, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have about 5½ quarts of the correct synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Finally, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and jack stands, ensuring it's stable. Now let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm bolt on the bottom of the engine. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the old oil flow out. Once drained, clean the plug and replace the crush washer to ensure a tight seal. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. The filter housing is usually on top of the engine. Use your filter wrench to carefully unscrew the cap. Remove the old filter element and clean the housing thoroughly. Install the new filter, ensuring it seats correctly. Don't forget to replace the O-rings on the filter cap for a proper seal. Finally, it's time for the new oil. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 25 Newton meters. Carefully pour about 5½ quarts of fresh synthetic oil into the engine's filler cap. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for any leaks and then verify the oil level using the electronic dipstick or physical dipstick, if present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.